Faint lights in the distance, the thin line that separates your shadows from my soul. As these walls begin to fold, head lost in the silence, cold stars illuminate the secrets on your tongue and the poison in my lungs. Every passage ends, a new road begins. The further I descend, your labyrinth.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here once again. What's going on over here again, Jess? Oh, there it is.
Plenty.
Wow, check it out, guys.
You're busy eating right there, big.
Where? Oh, wow, whole bunch.
Oh, watch out in your hand.
Oh, another one, guys. Look at that. There it is. Caterpillars.
Lucky
Oh,
you're
another
just
one.
here, because if you're in China, they eat you guys.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look, a whole bunch right there.
Yeah, plenty. That was right there.
Jeez, you're all over. Here's a small one. Right there, guys. Wow. Very nice.
Yeah, the one family there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Alright, guys. What's up? It's your boy Robert here along with Jessie wearing the Vikings hat. Hope you guys are having a great day. So we just finished cleaning an office as always. Oh my goodness, I need a haircut, Jess, I think. Yeah, so we're heading over to our favorite spot once again. And I'll let you guys enjoy the view. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. You know, we just show you guys our basic island life over here on the beautiful island of Kauai. We travel to other islands as well, so if you want to be a part of that, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I do appreciate that like if you guys like the videos. And check this out, guys. Wow. Check this out. Oh. All right, guys. Yeah. Woo. Skateboard. Look at that. Skateboard barefoot and all. Do some yoga. Wow. People taking pictures over there. Oh wow, Jess. Check out the colors. No, it's windy.
Oh.
Huh? Magic Island again?
Oh my God, it's cold.
Oh, there's I don't know what they're doing over there. But yeah, oh wow, we got sand, guys. We got sand. The Magic Island. Ooh, it is windy. It is windy, guys. Totally. We're just gonna take some pictures. Go ahead.
Like coffee?
Yeah, it's okay. I'll follow you. There you go. What's up, guys? Just wanted to show you guys Jess in harvest mode, guys. Check it out. Jess, are you in harvest mode at the moment?
Huh?
Are you in harvest mode?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what Jess is harvesting. What do you call this again, Jess?
I don't know in English. We call this sayote.
Sayote, guys. Yeah. I think I featured sayote already in a couple of our videos, if not more videos. But yeah, guys, let me show you guys a nice flower over here also. Oh, this one needs water, but got the beautiful hibiscus right over there. And what is that? I don't know what kind of flower that is. Here comes Miss Daisy coming down the road.
Can you hold it, please?
Okay, hold on now. Wow, we're good. The handoff, guys. The handoff.
Right there, the fruits.
Mm-hmm. What fruits? It's okay. Wow.
Ayun,
What's that? So there's a fruit, guys. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So there it is, the sayote. It's not a fruit, it's a vegetable, right, Jess? Because it grows on the ground, guys. Right there, check it out. So yeah, guys, I am filming on my LG G8.
It's okay, just put
Let
it
me know how the quality is. The sun is slowly going down, guys. The sun. Oh, I can feel the rain. Just one raindrop on my hand, and my finger is getting tired. Hold on, guys. There you go. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You got Daisy over there. That's why. Mm-hmm.
Get away, go right there.
Yeah, Daisy, come. Go home, Daisy.
Go up, Daisy.
Mm-hmm. Daisy, go home. Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. Holy camole. I should have brought a box, Jess.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. Look at all that, guys. Ooh. We got 4 of these now. Yes, they grow.
It's gonna grow, right?
They grow fast, don't they? Wow. Watch out, there's no hole over there, Jess. Yeah, what is that you're stepping on? What is that you're stepping on? Mm-hmm. How's it? You're just harvesting over here. What are you stepping on?
Wood.
Wood?
Yeah.
Why is there wood there?
I really don't know.
Careful.
But I go because it's really big.
Mm-hmm. What else they have in there?
This one.
Is that different from sayote?
No, this is the same thing.
Oh, that's the same thing. Okay.
But it's not this one, the length is big.
Oh. Next time you harvest, you have to bring a box. Wow. Alright, guys. So, yeah. It's harvesting. Here comes Mr. Isaac, too. So, we better go. Yeah, it's about to rain, Jess.
Faint lights in the distance, the thin line that separates your shadows from my soul. As these walls begin to fold, head lost in the silence,